Hey guys, Dr. Devine here. Today we're going to demonstrate a chest exercise called a fly, which is commonly done wrong. So I'm going to show you how to really isolate your pecs during this motion. First of all, let's start with a weight that's not too heavy. These are 15s. I normally go a little bit heavier, but just for demonstration purpose, we're going to start with 15s. So basically, you want to get on the bench, keep your back flat. Make sure your hips and your low back and your shoulder blades are touching. You want to bring the weight down and you want to bring it up. And right at the top, kind of bring the insides of the pinky parts kind of in a little bit to really get a big contraction on your pecs. So squeeze the top. So if you just go through the motion and just do this and don't squeeze the top, you're not going to get the full benefit. So once you get right through here, you want to start really flexing your pecs, which will really double your results. And go all the way down to get a really good stretch. So this is the barbell fly. And I'd recommend doing this once or twice a week, 4 sets of 10 to 15. And when you get close to being done with your reps, you want to really make sure you really feel the weight. So again, squeeze right at the top. So again, this is Dr. Devine. Just showing you some really good techniques for to really maximize your workouts for your pecs. Yours in good health. Talk to you soon.